You are in the company which most people and most students dream of, Microsoft. So, what's your journey? What's the biggest part of your journey? When you saw the code, did you feel that this is the thing you want to do in your future?
So yes, you are right. It was a dream for me, and I accomplished it. That's great, and I'm thanks to God. And yes, lot of struggle we did. It's not an easy thing for me because I'm from tier 2 or tier 3 kind of city and the college as well. And but one best thing when I'm analyzing today, what was the best thing inside me when I was in college? That's the data structure part. I still remember when during my educations, we have one subject called DSA, data structure and algorithm. ADA also we are doing, and our mentors and the professors specifically focus on that, and it was really boring subject that time. But when the concept was clear that time, so frankly speaking, guys, I didn't even prepare single day for Microsoft just because my concept was clear. Yes, I little bit brush up few things, but DSA is the main thing. I never brush up. If you want to ask any question DSA related, I can give answers and I can solve any problem at that time as well. So that's the one thing I realize. DSA must be for every student if you are thinking about any big organizations or firm.
So, sir, like I want to really like ask that why did you choose engineering for yourself? Like, is there any background? Like,
So nobody in my background even crossed 10th in my family. But after me, my brother and my sister, they goes to graduation, but it's related to art and commerce. But I was the one, and I was the first engineer in my village, not even my home. But actually, that time I was not realized I'll be engineer. We are flowing with the flow, and then when we met in the VB.NET code, C Sharp code, C++, then I really start enjoying that part. Okay, that was at that time I realized I can do something. I'll be a coder. But this time coder is a different thing. But that time when I completed in 2010, coder is a great thing, right? And I think when I start coding, then I realize yes, I'm here for coding.